Welcome to another Surfboards.com product video. Today we wanted to answer one of our most frequently asked questions. What's the difference between an Aero rack pad and a standard rack pad? Today we'll break down the obvious and not so obvious differences in this short video. This clip will show you how to install a standard rack pad. Standard rack pads are made for use with round or square racks. These rack pads go all the way around the rack. The inside of the rack pad will have a foam tube inside of a flexible pocket. Make sure the slit part of the foam tube is facing towards your rack. Despite the name standard, it's a lot more common these days to see a rack that needs an Aero pad. An Aero rack pad is a slightly lower profile pad and sits on top of your rack. If your racks are a more flat or rectangular shape, these are more likely the racks that you will need. Subscribe to our channel and check out Surfboards.com for our rack pad selection and for all of your surf shop needs.